First thing you want to do is clean that up. Always remove the outer leaves. This is pretty clean. This is called a conehead cabbage. That's the real name, conehead. A little bit of cone. Beautiful, it's very nice. It's a pretty big carrot, so I'm going to use the whole thing. So don't worry about the measurement, okay? It doesn't matter. Remember, you use the organic carrot, so I don't have to worry about. I'm going to go straight this last part. Flat hand. Cool, done. Boom, get rid of the stem. Get rid of the other side. Peel, that's enough. Beautiful. I'm gonna get here, I'm gonna flip. I'll show you how to do if you want to keep that onion for later. You just wrap it up with plastic, it's pretty easy. Let's put some red cabbage. So remember, I clean anything that's not pretty. Now we're gonna carry it right in the middle. Ready? Okay, don't force. This is wobbly. Hand, grab, and just gently move your knife like this. Slowly, don't force, no forcing. I'm gonna use today only half of the cabbage. Boom, get rid of that root.